In this video, I'll detail how to turn off Bluetooth on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you're having an Apple Watch, either Series 9 or earlier version that has Bluetooth, then you can turn off the Bluetooth on your Apple Watch. Mark you, once you turn off Bluetooth on your Apple Watch, this will disconnect your Apple Watch from your iPhone. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to turn off Bluetooth on your Apple Watch Series 9 is press the icon to go to the app menu or app screen. Then click on settings. On the settings page, scroll down and you want to locate airplane mode. Click on that. Then under airplane mode, scroll down and disable Bluetooth. Once that is disabled, this is going to turn off Bluetooth on your Apple Watch and disconnect your Apple Watch from your iPhone. Then again, you can just scroll down and click on Bluetooth. So if this is still enabled, then turn this off as well. You can see Bluetooth is now turned off. So that's how you can easily turn off Bluetooth on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.